Hello traders, good morning. Today we're going to look at the AutoPilot trading system. Again, trying to make a quick $500. Now before we begin, remember that trading is risky. Please don't trade with funds you can't afford to lose. There are risks involved with trading. I'm going to show you here the settings and the back, and I'm going to start the AutoPilot right as we speak here, right after 9:55. So I have that set. I also want to make sure that I have a target and a profit or a stop loss over here of $500. A lot of traders ask me, why don't I increase that to $1,000 or $2,000? And certainly you could, but I just want to show you an example of how long it takes to make $500 using the AutoPilot trading system. Sometimes it takes a little bit longer, sometimes there's a loss before it goes up. So it's not always as simple as it seems, where it's just exactly 2 trades and we're done. But I just have this set up here in this way to show you, especially with the volatility that we've had. Now we have a 15-second chart, so I'm using a 15-second chart. The settings were just shown. Those are the settings that I'm using. And the trailing stop is now trailing behind it, and there's a target. The other thing you want to be careful with is during FOMC, or if there's a significant economic report that's about to come out, it's always a good idea to pause the system and wait until the news is out of the way. Sometimes we're really successful during news events, but I think that it's always best to hold off and wait until the chaos is over, and then you can turn it back on. So the first trade here entered at 44.16 and it exited at 44.21.50. So very simple. It went long, hit a target, and now it's trying again. And there is a cap. It'll either lose $500, as I said, and it'll make $500 and it'll stop trading regardless of what happens. Now there's a couple of settings that I think are important to understand. The trailing stop is a great feature, as well as the break even. In this particular example of using a 15-second chart, I'm not using a break even. I'm actually just letting it trail a stop once it starts going in my favor. So you can see here that it entered into a long position at 44.22.50. So this is the E-mini S&P 15-second chart. And let me see who's texting me. Okay. And so now at this point, if the market continues higher, you'll see that that pink stop horizontal line will continue to move and follow behind it as it goes higher. So the software can either turn on or turn off the break even. You can use them in conjunction with the trailing stop, individually, separately. Settings can all be separated out. So that's really cool on how you can dynamically use, depending on the chart that you want to trade and the markets you want to trade. And now if the market goes down, hits the stop, fine, we're stopped out. We look for the next trade automatically. If it continues higher, you'll see the market follow behind it. This can go sideways for 5 minutes, 10 minutes, and it'll just go sideways until it either hits the target, trails a stop, or hits the stop. Now, if you don't already have a free member account and need the news indicator, you can go ahead and download the news indicator and a couple other free videos and things that we have available for the traders who want a free member account. You can get set up there at Daytradetowin.com. Some of you already have a free member account, so you already have the news indicator and already have access to the ABC software and course. So that's something that we offer for free for traders. Now, as this kind of goes nowhere, right now it's kind of going sideways. The market is starting to, I don't want to say slow down, but it's really not moving as much as it was in the previous trade. This is where you have the ability, if you wanted to, get out of break even. You can move the stops, you can move the targets. So even though this is an automatic trading system where it does everything for you, you still have the ability, if you wanted to, move the target, move the stop, close out the position, so you're still in control. And I think that's important as well. You don't want to have the system or the algo, the robot as they call it, do everything for you. You want to be able to manage it if needed, right? So let's say that something happened and you needed to exit the trade right now, and you say, you know what, I want to break even, I want $12.50 target, I want a $25 loss, a $37, whatever the case may be. You can go ahead and move from the chart itself. You can close out the position, or you can move the targets and the stops. Even though the AutoPilot trading system is a pretty powerful piece of software. We tell everyone to take it slow. Start off with just a micro contract or one E-mini S&P. Try not to bet the farm. We really stress the attendance for the live training. So once you get the AutoPilot training system, we have a pre-recorded training video immediately to get you set up, to help you understand how the system works. We give you some settings on what works with the 1,000-tick chart and the 1-minute chart and the 30-minute chart and so on. So there's a couple of different variables. But when you do start to turn it on and let it run, pay attention, start slow, start small, focus on the times of day that you're trading the markets. Typically, I think that the markets work better between certain hours. And you look at what hours work best, typically in the morning as we turn into the early afternoon. So there's a good 2 to 3 hour sweet spot that I think work well. If you're trading right up until the end of the day, so let's say within the last 20 minutes, 15 minutes of the trading session, of the close of the day session, there's a squeeze on day traders, and that's going to impact the way the market works. So if there's a squeeze on day traders, they all get out because they're forced to, they're trading on margin. And this is unpredictable. Just like it's unpredictable when a news event comes out, we can see a huge swing to the upside and to the downside all within a matter of seconds. So really try to trade under more predictable situation. If you know the market is slow, and you've taken 2, 3, 4, 5 trades and you're pretty much at break even and nothing's happened, you should definitely consider whether or not it's worth trading. Now I have to say, if you enjoy these videos and if you find them informative, you like to learn about the art of day trading, the technical analysis, the price action, definitely subscribe to the YouTube channel. We're starting to do more live streams in the morning, and that way you'll have an opportunity to join us live to see the trades, the analysis here at Daytradetowin. So subscribe to the YouTube channel if you haven't done so already. Now the other thing that we should focus on is the amount of time and how many losing, let's say, contracts or losing bars or negative bars are going against you. One of the features that we have included in the AutoPilot is to be able to get out of a position once the market goes against you after a certain number of candles. And so that's a very specific way to exit the market. It's not based on a stop where you're looking at a hard number. It's looking at the market going against you by X number of candles and closing the position based on that idea. Okay, so the trailing stop is now moving behind it. So every time the market goes up, it's closely just tailoring behind it by a certain amount of ticks. And so what I'd like to see is the market go up to 44.2750 without turning around and going back below where we entered. And also, if it stays below where we entered by X number of candles, whatever the case may be here, the settings. So if it stays under 44.2250 and there's 3, 4, 5, 10 bars, it realizes that this is not going in our favor, we're not in profit, and it closes the position. So that's all part of the settings in the back that you could say, how many candles should I stay in this trade if it's losing or going against us. But right now it's still in profit territory, and we're looking forward to that 44.2750. Remember that volatility is increasing. I have a couple of videos out there on using the ATR, the average true range, on a daily chart, which really shows us that we're going to have larger range days, lots of trending days, and definitely as we are in the last week of August going into September, this is going to increase. So we're going to have a cycle of pretty strong volatility, so be careful out there. Always use your stops, and the trailing stop is right behind it, and there is the daily profit limit reached. If you're new to day trading and want to learn more on the benefits of trading the markets, visit Daytradetowin.com, join the next mentorship class starting later this month, and subscribe to the Daytradetowin YouTube channel. We focus on price action and work exclusively with new and beginner traders who want to learn more on how to prosper from trading.